Everyone, I am Soumik Roy. Today I am going to present my project which I have completed during my internship. So let's get into it. This is the login page. Here we have to put our credentials and then click on login. And for now on, I have redirected it for better purpose. So this is the dashboard. Here you can chat with the AI, whatever invoices or management what you want. Also, I have added Whisper API for voice processing, like hello. So it is going to take the input, and also it can help the invoice to find, like show me the invoices. So it will show the invoices. Let's clear it out, and then in the left panel you can see the new chat, import your document, and all the quick actions. Below that, settings. In the settings option, there is I have mentioned many options like import your CSV file from vendors, but and the names must be same. This names must be matched, and the invoices also, these names must be matched. Then you can change the dark theme and the light theme, whatever you want. And for the quick actions, you can see the quick actions, just an example. uh, and for the difficult queries, uh, so it is a difficult query because there are two or three tables are getting connected. So first thing is invoice numbers, second thing is the invoice date, and third thing is the number name of the supplier who has done the invoices, and also the total amount. In my database, here I have mentioned three tables: invoice details, headers, and the supply master. The invoice numbers and the IDs are present in invoice details, and also this total amount is present in the invoice details. And in the supply master, the names of the supplier, and the addresses, all the details of the supplier is mentioned. Like if I search like show the names of the supplier, so it's going to show all the names of the supplier, like that. It's working. Go to the my this is my front end code snippet, and this is the file structure which I have. Here you can see the dashboard, which is this is the dashboard, and this is the authentication, this is the query processor. This is the vital part of my query processor. Like everything, every endpoints and every function is mentioned here. Like if I want to ask any AI generated query or anything like SQL query, here it get decided to this for particular function detect intent. After detect intention, the AI goes to query if it is a SQL query or it is a general AI response. For the general AI response, I can ask anything from the world, like uh, who was who was Hitler. So it is showing all the details of Adolf Hitler. It is a AI generated query. So here it gives the intent of the user. Then come to my backend. This is the backend file. This is server.js, which is connected to my PostgreSQL where my database are, and it's connecting the front end part. This is a controller. All the API endpoints are mentioned here. This is the OpenAI. Here I have integrated my Open API key, and this I trained my model how the SQL query will be generated. Like if I want to show all the printers what particular it will ask. This is the example. It's not the query based. This is just an example to train my AI model. Just behave like this. Behave like this. I have mentioned all the names of the columns to know the uh, what the details are in that particular column. This is the middleware, and here I have PDF extraction. This is the PDF extraction, and this is the PDF extraction after extracting the PDF. So here I have PDF extraction. Let's choose a file. If this is a file, so this is going to show all the details of the amount, total amount, supplier name, invoice number, invoice date, and the total amount. After I save this, it goes to my backend. Here you can see that the backend is running. Here shift to address and build to address is showing. I have not mentioned it in my front end, that's why it is not showing. But my backend is fetching all the details mentioned in the document, and that's it. Thank you.